is for apple.
apple.
B is for broccoli.
Broccoli.
C is for carrot.
Carrot.
D is for drumstick.
Drumstick.
E is for eggplant.
Eggplant.
F is for fennel.
Fennel.
G is for garlic.
Garlic.
H is for horseradish.
Horseradish.
I is for Indian.
Prune. Indian.
J is for jamberry.
Jamboree.
K is for kohlrabi.
Kohlrabi.
L is for lady's finger.
L. Lady's finger.
M is for mushroom.
M. Mushroom.
N is for napa.
Cabbage and papa.
O is for onion.
O.
Onion. P is for potato.
Potato.
Q is for quinces.